Rice is one of the staple cereals in India. There are more than 6,000 varieties of rice in India. Every region has its own variety of rice. Our aim was to find varieties that could fulfill the needs of all the states. It was a challenge for us to choose from many varieties that would meet the needs of all the states. That is why it took a long time for us to add rice in our product basket. To overcome this challenge, we searched for the most commonly eaten rice varieties in India. We made a list of states according to the variety of rice eaten. Some states like Bengal, Odisha, Bihar consume rice with lentils and vegetables. In the states of South India, rice is used in idli and dosa or with sambar and rasam. In North India, it is eaten as pulao or with rajma. Thinking of these uses, 3 types of most commonly eaten rice were shortlisted. For daily use, Sona Masoori rice was identified as one of the most preferred for idli and dosa or with sambar. Sona Masoori rice is most preferred rice in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Bengal. Classic rice to be eaten along with lentils. Basmati rice is mostly used on special occasions to make dishes like biryani, jeera rice. And it is also used as regular rice in Rajasthan, Punjab and North Indian states. Now, the biggest challenge before us was to set good quality standards for rice. Many samples were ordered from the producers who were cultivating or packing these rice. To determine the quality of rice, testing criteria were determined such as length of rice, taste, flavor, color and quality of ripening. Our quality team checked quality several times by cooking, tasting and measuring all the samples. To bring you the best quality without impurities, cleaning and packing of rice is done in a fully automated plant. After working hard, these 3 types of rice have been brought to you for your complete satisfaction.